I need custom apparel for my business.
Tell me about your vision and requirements. We'll work together to bring your ideas to life. Graflix will create unique designs tailored to your brand and vision. Choose from a variety of high-quality apparel, including t-shirts, hoodies, and hats. Graflix uses state-of-the-art printing and embroidery techniques for the perfect finish. We ensure that every piece meets our high-quality standards. We'll package and deliver your custom apparel on time, every time. Your satisfaction is our top priority, and we welcome your feedback. We work efficiently to meet your deadlines and deliver exceptional results. Let us help you showcase your brand with custom apparel from Graflix. Contact us today to discuss your apparel decorating needs and get started.